Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. It is still me here, Josie Nnadi, your real estate therapist. So today we'll continue from where we stopped in the last video. You know, I promised you I'm gonna give you the best parts of real estate investment that gives an opportunity for just about anybody to invest in real estate, to start investing in real estate, to start from wherever you are, to start this journey of real estate investment. So just stay tuned to the end of this video because you're going to dissect every single part of this investment opportunity. So what are we talking about? The fifth way you can invest in real estate here in Nigeria is through what we call real estate trading. Yes, now you can trade real estate in Nigeria. This is the best, and when you do it with the right people, it is the safest. Okay, because you are getting your return on investment so fast. It is equally good for people that want to just invest for a short term. So here is how it works. Real estate companies now give you an opportunity to invest in their properties, landed properties that are still under development. Yes, you buy a portion of their property from them, and then at a particular period of time you sell back to them for a profit. So here is how it works. Let me say you bought a 500 square meter property for just 3.8 million naira for a particular estate. Then in 12 months you sell back to the company. Some do it for 20% profit, some do it for 12% profit, some do for 40% profit, depending. So this particular real estate company I want to talk about next, they do for 40% return on investment. So you sell back to them in a year for just 40% return on investment. So after a year you get your capital, you get your return on investment, and now you are investing in an estate. So if you decide that you want to continue this particular investment, then you can reinvest. This gives you an opportunity to secure your cash from inflation. So instead of keeping your money in the bank and letting it depreciate, with the rate of inflation in Nigeria and how the Nigerian naira is losing value, you are losing money just keeping your money in the bank. You're already on a loss, okay? So instead of you keeping your money in the bank, you can start from wherever you are and then start investing in this particular platform. In P1 Max, you can trade real estate from wherever you are. So here is how it works. It has different packages depending on your capacity and where you want to start from. You can start from buying 50 square meter property, or you can buy 100 square meter property, 75 square meter property, 250 square meter property, or 500 square meter property, and then you sell back to the company in 12 months for 40% return on investment. And you know what? Another good thing about this particular investment, you are so secured. There is security for your money. It's not like all this Ponzi scheme that is flying around in Nigeria that gives you no security for your money. Still, people are investing in it. You invest in platforms that give you zero security for your money. So when you are investing in a particular platform or opportunity, please check your security, the security for your funding. Okay, so when it comes to this particular investment, you have security for your funding. You get a post-dated check bearing your return on investment and capital. That is your capital plus 40% return that you get, and then the date is 12 months from the day you entered this particular package. Okay, that's not all. You get a receipt of payment showing that you have a transaction with this company. And that is not all. You also get a contract of sale binding you and the company. In fact, I'm going to put a picture of the contract of sales on the screen. This contract of sale, it's so detailed. I went through it and I was like, wow, this is so, as in over legit, they worry this package. I am telling you. This gives you security for your funding, gives the company security for their investment, and also gives you guarantee. So for the packages involved, you can start from trading 50 square meter for just 380k, and then at the end of 12 months, you sell back to the company for 532k. That is 380k plus 40% return, 40% of 380k. Or you trade a 75 square meter for 570k. And after 12 months, you sell back to the company for 798k. That is 798,000 naira. Or you trade 150 square meter for 1.4 million naira. And after 12 months, you sell back to the company for 1.532 million naira. Or you can go ahead and trade a half plot of land, that is 250 square meter, for 1.9 million naira. And then at the end of 12 months, you sell back to the company for 2.66 million naira. That is a whooping 40% return on your investment, with all the security guiding your fund and your investment. Or you can go ahead and trade it 500 square meter for 3.8 million naira. And after 12 months, you sell back to the company for 5.32 million naira. Imagine that, whopping 40% return on your investment. And just reach out to me on my WhatsApp. My number is going to be on the screen and also on the description box. You can reach out to me on my WhatsApp, or you can call me, whichever means is suitable for you, so we can discuss this and get you to start trading real estate from where you are. This will even help you to see how legit this real estate company is, and then you can go on to continue your investment with them. I hope you got value from this video. I hope you will start trading real estate from today, because it's giving you an opportunity to not let your money rot in the bank with no return on investment for your money. Okay, so reach out to me now. Let's talk about your means of payment and every other thing. Anyways, until I get to your face next time, I am still your real estate therapist, always rooting for your wealth creation, and also here to give you all the information you need to have to make informed real estate decisions. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel, turn on your notification, and click the like button to like this video for sure. Alright, till I get to your face next time, bye bye.